Yo, first order of the day. Got a Chick-fil-A. This is $12 going under 5 miles.
Back there.
This one is a meet at door, and I was just about to say I'm not going to be doing all that because I'm not awake for it yet, but apparently I need a pin, so can't really escape at this time.
What's been through?
15? Is that upstairs? Oh, it's right there.
Stairs. Go the other way.
Gotcha. Thank you. And there should be a straw in that bag.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Have a good one.
You too. Thank you. Drive safe.
All right. That wasn't too bad. Relatively painless. Next up, we've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. This one is $10 going just under 5 miles. Only one item. It looks like they are in desperate need of some toilet paper, so I am now driving as fast as possible, legally, on my way to the store. I got you.
If you have your club card, please scan $8.99. If you have your club card, please scan it now.
I actually didn't know I could use self-checkout for these. Now I know. All right, this next order is gonna be for IHOP. $10 and some change going 6 miles.
There's the coffee that goes with it.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. Not gonna lie, I was a little worried there because I didn't see any bags waiting, and I always check their tablet because it's right on the counter, and they had 12 orders that they were working on. Luckily mine came out. Yeah.
I noticed you have one of those back supporters. Is that a back supporter thing?
Oh, it's a camera.
Oh,
Yeah.
I thought it was a back supporter thing. My doctor told me to get one of those. I don't want to get one. Look like that. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, never mind.
All good.
Have a good day.
You too. I was almost certain that was going to be a Karen situation. Lady came out of her house and came across the street to talk to me. I assumed it was because I think I parked too close to that fire hydrant. And I was going to get yelled at because of it. But luckily, not today. Next order up, going back to IHOP. This one is $7.75 going 4.5 miles. That was a Wendy's order they were trying to give me. It was $8 going 3 miles, which is better, but it's Wendy's, so I think I saved myself a headache.
Did you have an order to pick up, sir?
Okay,
Thank you.
there's a drink with it. I don't know if they got a straw. Let me grab you a straw.
Gotcha.
It's one of those stupid things that would suck to not get your straw.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you.
Next order up is gonna be for Starbucks. This one's $7.25 going 3 miles.
Thank you.
Thank you.
this. Shop and deliver for alcohol. $10.75 going 5.5 miles. Only one item. Yeah, sure, why not? Excuse me.
Hi, darling.
And then just scribble on that line for me. Good enough for me. All right, next up we've got a Chick-fil-A. This one is $10.25 going 4.5 miles.
You're so slow, bro.
Waits for Amanda. Let's get out.
So apparently my radio's dead, which means I am stuck with my own thoughts now. So we'll see how long it takes for me to crash into something. This one is $9 going at 2.5 miles. Again, probably not ready, but let's go inside. Thank you.
My pleasure. Have a great day.
You too. Okay, I think I might be calling it early today. It is hot, and for some reason, I decided not to wear anything under this hoodie. So I'm kind of sweating, and I can't really take it off. Anyways, current time is 11:14. Current total is 76, and I still have 2 Uber tips yet to come in, so probably close to 90-ish. But anyways, that's gonna be it for me. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.